Hello, Super Writers. Welcome back to your writing job for today. Our target skill for today is I can write sentences that describe story characters clearly. This week, boys and girls, we are working on one unique story character. We will then plan a story for this character. Let's take a look at our characters this week. When we are planning a story for a character, we need to look at two different things. What is our character like on the inside? Or what is our character like on the inside and the outside? The outside of our character are called physical traits. This is what we can see. Their hair, their eyes, even their clothes. The second thing we need to brainstorm about our character is what they are like on the inside, or their character traits. Is your character kind? Is your character shy? Is your character brave? We learn about your character. We learn about the inside of your character through what they say and what they do in your story. Yesterday, we started brainstorming these things about our characters. For example, this is mine. My character is a girl named Daisy. She has brown hair and brown eyes. She's 10 years old, and her favorite thing to wear is a ballerina uniform and a bow in her hair. Those are the things you can see on the outside of my character. On the inside, she is funny and kind, a little bit silly and creative, but she's not a very good listener. I would also describe my character as a good friend. How did you describe your character? Let's dig a little bit deeper into our characters today. Today we are going to ask ourselves two questions about our characters. The first question is, what does your character not like to do and why? So I'm going to ask myself about my character and you ask yourself about your character. For example, my character does not like to wait. She does not like to stand still and wait for instructions because she would rather be dancing or running around. The second question we are going to ask ourselves is, what does your character want to learn how to do or learn more about? For example, my character, Daisy, would love to learn how to do 3 ballerina twirls in a row. I'm going to write sentences and draw pictures to describe my answers. Now, boys and girls, it's your turn. Use your planning sheets from yesterday and answer these two questions about your characters. I can't wait to read them. Have fun!